Hi and welcome to session 3. Were you able to notice yesterday at work when your mind wandered away? The mind doesn't get distracted suddenly. What happens is that the attention starts to slip and fade, and the mind gets increasingly caught up with distractions, and then it may go away on a long excursion before you even notice that it has moved away. Therefore, a key to maintaining focus is to know when the attention is starting to slip and to bring the attention back before it goes away on a long journey. So in today's session, practice this. Keep checking in on your mind and become aware of when the focus is starting to weaken. And before the attention goes away completely, bring it firmly back to the focus. And always doing this with an attitude of persistence and patience. So if you're sitting down comfortably, let us begin. Keeping your hands in your lap and your body relaxed but not slouched. Take a few slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your body, to the contact between your body and the chair. Experience the weight of your hands in your lap. Notice the contact of your eyelids, gently closed. Now mentally scan your body from head to toe and experience how your body feels right now. Turn your attention to your mood. Notice how you feel right now. Is the mind restless or relaxed? Energized or tired? Notice, not trying to change anything, just experiencing. Now move your attention to your breath, allowing your body to breathe in its own natural rhythms. Experience the rising and falling of your abdomen. remember to keep checking in on your mind. Notice when your attention seems to be fading and bring it back to the focus as many times as necessary. Now move your attention to both your nostrils and experience the sensations of air entering and leaving your nostrils. Moving your focus now to only your left nostril, experiencing the sensations of air moving in and out only at the left nostril. Moving your attention now to the right nostril. Keep checking in now and then. Make sure that your focus is at your nostril. It may be tempting to let your mind go with thoughts or memories. Just be aware whenever the focus starts to decrease and make a renewed effort to focus, to bring your attention back. Once again, allowing yourself to experience the sensations in both the nostrils together. Moving your attention back to the rising and falling of your abdomen. Now experience once again the contact between body and chair. Notice the contact of air on your skin. Notice any light shining through your eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. So how did that feel? Were you able to bring your mind back to your breath, to your focus, before it wandered away completely? You might have noticed that distractions begin with just one small thought or feeling that then builds into a torrent of thoughts that soon consumes your entire attention. If you can catch that first little distraction, you'll be able to stay focused for longer, making you more productive, efficient, and happier. In the next session, we are going to make this a little more challenging to take you one step closer to a laser-sharp focus. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 4.